homes are damaged after being hit by falling trees in last night's storms. The first home is a rental building in Bloomington on Roosevelt Street. Bloomington Parks and Recs Department was on the scene figuring out a way to properly remove the tree. You can see it right here. Luckily, no one was hurt. The second home hit by a tree is on Linden Street over in Normal. Neighbors say they heard the crash.
I was up for quite a while because of the wind and the lightning, and then I just kind of dozed off. And I heard a big crash, and I didn't see the tree until a little later, but I looked out the window and the garbage cans were flying across the street directly that way towards that tree.
Neighbors say Ameren responded to the home because the tree also knocked down power lines. And that neighborhood was far from the only one without power last night. Ameren says more than 200 transmission and distribution structures were damaged. In addition to trees and electric poles knocked over in the wind, Ameren activated its emergency operations center to begin restoring power. To report an outage or to check when power will be restored to your area, you can visit ameren.com/outage.